603 MTech Autowerks. Today I'm going to be showing you a common Mercedes engine problem. This happens to be an M278 engine. This is also common on your M276, M276 twin turbo, and even found on your 4-cylinder turbo engines. Today we're going to be going over a cylinder head issue. This happens to be a cylinder 5 misfire. What happens is the valve seats, they start to wear and they leak. So you have a low compression, which causes the engine to run rough. All right, so here we have the cylinder head already off. This one came in for a cylinder 5 misfire, which is this cylinder. It also had other ones, but this one, cylinder number 5, was the worst. We did a compression test and found that this one was the worst. So I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys what actually happens with some soapy water. So as you see, I'm gonna blow in. So these are the exhaust valves. They actually burn up. The intake valves normally are okay. You can see there's no leakage on the intake valves. Like I said, what happens is these exhaust valves, the seats wear out and causes leakage, which will cause a misfire and low compression. So this one, we're actually going to take this one to the machine shop and have them go redo all the valves and resurface the head. So some common symptoms that you would have for a cylinder head is engine running rough, misfires. Sometimes it won't set a check engine light. Sometimes you can feel it stumble a little bit. But I highly recommend, if you're having any sort of misfire issue, to definitely get it checked out. That doesn't mean it necessarily is a cylinder head. Could be fuel injectors, could be a coil. But typically when we have a car come in the shop with a misfire, we like to recommend doing a compression check just to make sure everything's okay. So those are some symptoms. I would highly recommend reaching out to a shop that's qualified in doing a job like this, because there's a lot of stuff that has to come apart. Engine has to come down on this vehicle. So I'd highly recommend reaching out to a good shop, or you can reach out to us at 603 MTech Autowerks. You can reach us at 603mtech.com. I thank you for watching this video.